Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on changing the subject. When we change the subject of a formula, we place the targeted pronumeral on the left-hand side. Let's have a look at these four examples to see how this works. We have the equation v equals u plus at. At this point, v is the subject because it is on the left-hand side and it's by itself. We have to make u the subject. So the first thing we do is subtract at from both sides. So when we do that, that leaves the u by itself here, so that's a start. So we get v minus at equals u. I haven't gone through all the working because we're now becoming very proficient at subtracting terms from both sides, and we can do all this in our head. So basically v minus at equals u. We swap sides because that will put the u on the left hand side. So when we swap sides we get u equals v minus at, and that makes sense because if v minus at equals u, it follows that u equals v minus at. So those two are exactly the same. And now we have made u the subject because it's on the left hand side and it's by itself. Number 2, my plus h equals k. We're going to make y the subject. So the first thing we do is we subtract h from both sides because that's a plus. That leaves us with my equals k minus h. Now we're almost there, but this y has an m here. Since that's multiplication, the inverse of multiplication is division. So we divide both sides by m, which leaves us with y equals k minus h over m, and now we've made y the subject. Number 3, ab squared equals m plus w. We have to make b the subject. So again, just like number 2, we have multiplication here, so the inverse of multiplication is division. So we divide both sides by a, which gives us b squared equals m plus w over a. So b is plus or minus the square root of m plus w over a. And number 4, we have k minus 2m equals by. We make m the subject. So what we'll do is we'll add 2m to both sides. If we do that, that puts a plus sign in front of the 2m, as you'll see here, because we're adding 2m to that side and we're adding 2m to that side. So k equals by plus 2m. Now we just so k equals by plus 2m. Now what we do now is we subtract by from both sides. That gives us k minus by equals 2m. Because we're working towards having this m by itself. That's why we subtracted the by from both sides. Now we swap sides, the same as we did here. So we have 2m equals k minus by. And finally, if we divide both sides by 2, we have m equals k minus by over 2. So this video has given us 4 examples where we've seen how to change the subject of a formula, and we must remember that the subject of a formula occurs when the particular letter or pronumeral is on the left hand side and it's absolutely by itself.